Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. Let's open Play Store, tap on the right upper corner. Next you have to click to add another account. Click on the Google. Use verification method, in my case it will be simple fingerprint. Right now we have to input your next account that you want to add. Click next. Right now we have to input your password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. When you input your password, you have to click next. Agree. You can simply go back. Right now when you tap on the right upper corner, you can find that you are already logged in with 2 accounts, so you can easily switch between them. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.